So if you're creating any blogger, if you're reading any website, how to set up auto ads. Auto ads is a new feature for particular websites. This mean by automatically display your ads in your particular website without adding coding. No need to have the request code here. That is called go to sites. First, how to apply for the bloggers. So we can go for 20 lines. Here is my blogger. Click this, show on your details. In this your option for here. Next one. In this call, we can go to ads option by what is that? By ad unit and by site. We have two options. By ad unit, nothing but to creating ads. To creating ads. But we are doing for auto ads, nothing but already creating ad, how to display by the website. Go to my site. First, you can go to blogger one. Edit. This will be refreshing for your particular option. The total scanning for your website. So what are my website will be here. Just select it and open it. No ads are there. Any ads are there? No. Just upload auto ads. I will decide. Which place not decide, just remove it. Is a break from my layout, I interrupt anything. Other option. Break my layout. Remove from header. Why? Because header don't break your option. It is more perfect. Is it clear? Now everything is perfect. Now everything final. Click for apply to site. When you apply for auto ads time, you can remove the particular position also. This position not required. Please delete. It is asking for some options. Why you are remove that purpose of feedback. Now we can click for apply it. Successful changes can take for an hour. Reflect your website showing ad. So how it is active stage, inactive stage based on the on option. On is called automatic will be ad. Is it clear? Same thing we can apply for any website also. Any website you can go for. Click it. They are searching something. But website required for code is compulsory. Is generating one code. The code we can placing for website header for. The code is compulsory. Any code is missing, they give the code. Unless they automatically add your auto ads. Here one question is there. Sir, I'm not creating any ads in Google AdSense. They approve by ads, not like that. You have to create the ads will be compulsory. So ad will be showing to customer like this. This will be strip ads. Automatic ad will show the customers, will be show your auto ads. Auto ads is called more earnings will be accept for your particular websites. Where you're showing ads also display in this option. Now apply to site. If I'm not require auto ads, you can disable it. Two option, enable and disable. Optimize your existing units. Optimize your existing ad unit. What are the ad you design? Same ads will show by where? Particular AdSense websites. See your ads. Apply to site. It is showing for done on. Now go to your website. Again click for refresh. Ads, 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 ads. Every option you can follow it. Ads. Is clear? This will be auto ads will be application. The auto ads will be based on your what are the ad you design. The based on ads will be shown to the customers without adding any code. No need to write any code your website. You have zero knowledge on your website. You can apply for that AdSense. Only thing is called your C panel as.txt file compulsory upload. This is mandatory field in cPanel. That you can do for developers. They can do for yourself also. When you have the cPanel login. So compulsory we have to follow the instructions. For particular, apply for auto ads. This all will depend on your particular ads.